Hello foodies! Welcome back to Food for Life, where we bring you simple, delicious recipes that make your day a little sweeter. I'm so excited to share with you today a classic Indian dessert, Suji Halwa, also known as semolina halwa. It's a quick and comforting treat that's perfect for any time of the day. Plus, it's made with just a few pantry staples. Ready to get started? Let's jump in. For this recipe, you'll need 1 cup of semolina flour or suji, 3/4 cup of sugar, 3/4 cup of oil, you can substitute with ghee if you prefer a richer taste, 3 cups of water, a pinch of cardamom powder for fragrance, or some chopped nuts like cashews and almonds for added texture. You can also add a few raisins if you like them. Alright, let's dive into the cooking process. Start by heating 3/4 cup of oil in a pan over medium heat. Once the oil is warm, add 1 cup of semolina flour to the pan. Stir it continuously. This is the key to making the halwa nice and smooth. The semolina should slowly turn a beautiful golden brown as you stir. This will take about 4 to 5 minutes. You'll start to notice a lovely nutty aroma filling the air. And that's when you know it's perfectly roasted. Now, let's bring in the magic. Carefully add 3 cups of water to the pan. Be cautious as it might splatter a bit. Stir immediately to avoid any lumps. As you mix, you'll see the semolina begin to absorb the water and soften. Keep stirring gently until the mixture thickens. It should take about 3 to 4 minutes for it to start coming together. Next, add 3/4 cup of sugar to the mixture. Stir well to make sure the sugar dissolves completely. You'll see the halwa start to get a glossy finish, and it'll begin to thicken further. At this stage, if you want a little extra flavor, toss in a pinch of cardamom powder. Cardamom adds a beautiful fragrance and is totally optional, but highly recommended. Keep stirring the halwa for another 2 to 3 minutes. As the semolina continues to cook, it will become a soft, slightly sticky consistency. The halwa should be pulling away from the sides of the pan when it's done. That's your cue that it's ready to serve. If you're feeling fancy, you can garnish it with some chopped cashews, almonds, or raisins for a bit of crunch and extra flavor. On a low heat, cover the pot with a cotton-covered lid and let the oil come to the surface. Suji halwa is best enjoyed warm, so serve it up right after it's done cooking. It's rich, sweet, and so comforting, making it perfect for any occasion. Whether it's a festival, a family get-together, or just a sweet craving in the middle of the day. And that's it! You've just made a delicious, authentic Suji Halwa with only 4 ingredients. Easy, isn't it? I hope you enjoy making this treat as much as I do. Thanks for tuning in to Food for Life. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tasty recipes. Until next time, keep cooking, keep enjoying, and stay healthy.